Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can make money on Gemini and what are the ways how we can make money on Gemini. So the first way how we can actually make money is if you're gonna refer someone to use Gemini. And how it actually works, so when someone is going to use your affiliate link or referral link that you will leave on your Facebook page, or you would write a blog or create a video, and they would invest $100 to Gemini, then you would get and they would get $10. And you can see it right here that it happens with me too. I didn't invest anything into Gemini and yet it's rising. So it was a March, it all started like February, right now is March 15 and I earned $218. And like for free, I converted them into euro because I'm going to invest some altcoins, but this is really great way. And 1 week you can see that it's like pretty growing up. 1 month we can go, I was in March at 100 euro, and you see the growing is pretty steadily, so that's good. And this is pretty much it, how we can use it and how we can make money on Gemini. This is the first way, referrals. So you would have a link down below in the description on a YouTube video, or for example you would write a blog where you would be reviewing Gemini. You can go like Gemini review, write a blog about it, share your link in Reddit or whatever. Then you can make money on it. The college investor, and I think he would have also link right here. So when I'm going to check it out, the link. Yep, he has a link. You've been invited to Gemini. And you see it right here. This is how he makes money. And pretty good money. And he got the first link in a search on Google. Therefore, he's going to earn a lot. Now, the second way how we can make money is by simple day trading that you're gonna use and buy and sell coins. Gemini fees are quite low, so that would be great. And it's a good strategy too, but you need to have the emotional stability and you know how to you need to just know how to trade coins to earn money from trading. I'm the type of guy who is that I invest and I hold. That's what I like more than day trading, because I don't have the emotions for day trading and just not selling when it's like dropping down. I don't know how to do it. And the third way how you can actually make money is when you would come here to products and you would come here Gemini Earn, and you see it here, put your crypto balances to work with Gemini Earn. You can receive up to 7 annual what is percentage yield on your cryptocurrency. And now you see that, okay, I see the crypto here. I can go with a Litecoin. Deposit a month can be 10,000 or 100,000. And you see it right here, 3 year, 4 year, it's like steadily going up. My recommendation that if you want to actually use Gemini Earn, I would definitely go with the Nexa. I would go with Celsius, with BlockFi, with Binance Earn. What are the competition to Gemini? And these things is really good to diversify. And I think when you would come here to Celsius and also Nexa, they got even better annual percentage yield comparing to the Gemini, because you can earn also in their own coin, Celsius and Nexa. So I would come here to earn. Let me show you. So this is the third way how you can actually make money, which is pretty straightforward. And you can just simply go here to deposit amount, Litecoin, Bitcoin. You see Bitcoin is not that good, you know, so that's something you should definitely keep in mind, because right now in Nexo you're gonna have like more percentage. But these are the ways how we can actually make money on Gemini, and these are the ways how we can make money on Celsius. And to summarize this whole video, the best way is just simply just make referrals, and then you would just like earn money from it. So that's how we can do it, the first way. The second way is just like earn from your like day trade, and you can trade You buy Bitcoin, you sell Bitcoin, and then you can earn from interest. Like you would be in a bank and you would have a account where you're gonna have interest based on the money, how much you're gonna invest, like funds, right? So these are the ways. I hope this video was helpful. On the strategies on what you can do with the Gemini, you can create videos like Gemini review, best crypto broker in the US. You can create also, I don't know, write blogs, tips in Gemini, how to trade better. So let's say you're a trader, you can create a video how to trade on Gemini, what you can do with the Gemini, and then you would just share a link down below the description. You just mention it, okay guys, if you're interested, you can sign through the link. If you're gonna invest through the link, you will get $10. And what I really like about crypto affiliate comparing to the other affiliate, that you're gonna have the incentive. What does it mean? That in plenty of affiliate, so there is an affiliate on email marketing, right? Email. They only give you 20% of, like, okay, someone signs up, you get $5. But the client doesn't get anything. So that's kind of bad. But with a crypto affiliate, what I really, really like, with a crypto affiliate, when you get a client and they're gonna invest, you got $10 and they got $10. And this is, you got no idea how easy it is to actually get clients in crypto affiliate when you get this information. That even when you can easily sell this, okay guys, just if you use it, you will get bonus $10. And why wouldn't a person do it? Like everyone is going to do that. And in the moment when I started creating videos about various affiliate, I make about like $30 to $100 a day from crypto affiliate. But I have plenty of videos, so that's like, I worked hard on it. So there isn't like no effort and you're gonna achieve everything. It's going to take time to actually build your cadence, to build your, but when you're gonna do it, you're gonna earn a lot of money. So definitely keep in mind that it's possible and that you can easily achieve it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, just ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it goes, you know how it works with everything. And yeah, Celsius, use that. Nexo, check it out if you want to use the interest. It can be really effective. And yep, and like from 2 years, I can have like 4K here, 5K, and it's free money. Like it's really just free money. And then it's like, then I just withdraw it, I'm good to go. Or just pay something from the account. Who knows? So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.